Travail d'anglais pour la essai 5.1. Michelos, une vidéo pour apprendre comment approcher une datasheet. Hello everyone! Today I will present you how to approach a datasheet. So let's start. First, for the summary, we have first I present what is a datasheet and what is composed of. Next, I give you the more the good where you can find a good datasheet. So sorry for my mistake. After that, we've understand how is use the datasheets with a procedure or methoding for find informations. I give you with an example. The example is a motor adapter for my area, but we will go back on this after. For the end, we have the relevance information you can identify where you can find this, and you see it's very easy. So let's start. What is a datasheet? We talk about a datasheet, but what is a datasheet? Datasheet is a paper with information given by the product by the factory after all tests will be effectuated on this component. So information, we have a voltage, amperage. For the card we have a component localization normally. We have we can find the connection pin. For the component like capacity or transistor or bobine. We have the response to a direct. A direct is a very high front in a very short time. And often for this component we have a response of a slope for the component on this component. So how you can find a good datasheet? You can find a good datasheet on a professional website, on the fabricant website, or with a very good search on Google with more data you can. So for example, we have a component, a transistor for 2015. So search with the date. So example, the fabricant remake the component better, and he make this in 2021. If you search the component, we have two datasheets: the 2015 and the 2021. Sorry. So search with dates for have the good datasheet for your component. For miss the mistake. The technical sheet that will be addressed in this tutorial. So is example for my methoding to find informations to the data on the datasheets. So the material you need for my methods, is a notebook and the datasheet. A pencil is very evident if you take a notebook. And the datasheet I use, for example, is model adapter for my area. So, the example, we have a datasheet of the my area motor adapter. So, we have 3 pages. The first we have overview, key features, connector pinout, using you see the adapter with my array. So my for my method, I read one time before take note the datasheets. For after search where is the information for my using. I don't read, take note, read, take note. You lose time and you take information you not necessary use and you confuse with this information you don't use. So, in the first page of the motor adapter my area, we have information like overview. Overview is a short time, short text with information for what is my area adapters, motors adapters, what is composed of. After that, we have key features. For key features is very important because you have voltage, number of pin, and very features you can use with this card. After that, we have a connector pinout. Connector pinout is on the first page, the beginning is on first page, and the last is the second page. So we have where the pin is used for, what pin used for, in data tables. It's very important to see that for if you connect the card. In the last page, we have information for using this with MyRio. MyRio is a small card with intelligence used for programming systems, portable systems. You have a data table for pin for the motor signal. So, well, you can find the very relevant informations. Now, is often in color or in bold. In bold, you have the titles of the part, and if the part is, for example, the part is named information you need. You say is the information you need, and you can read this. Is the name of the information is where the product is was created. Is not very necessary if you just connect the motors. the bolt, the title is very important for check what is the parts you need. And for finish, in the data tables from the pine, the connecting port. So for resume, what approach datasheets? So go to the fabricant or a professional website to download the datasheets. Normally is free. Not need money. Is need money is not a good website. So after that, you take a notebook and pencil, the datasheet. You read one time the datasheets. After that, you take the part where you be interested and take information you need. And after that, you have used the datasheets. So I say you goodbye and good luck. So till next time. Bye.